Got a key fob here from a 2021 Mazda CX-9, and it says that the battery inside is getting low. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to change that. All you're going to need is a small flathead screwdriver, and the replacement battery for this is a 2032. We can start by turning this over. If you see right here at the end, there's a little lever. You're going to pry it this way, and then this little cover, the black plastic cover, is going to slide off that way. So just pull on that lever and slide that cover over like so. And then we can take that cover off. All right, and that's where your little key blade is hidden inside if you ever need to use that. But if we turn this around or upside down, we need to take off this little metal cap or this metal piece here. The screwdriver also works great for that. You can just put it underneath here and just pry up. Now we need to pry off the other side, which is this cover here. There's these little openings right here. Same thing, just use the screwdriver and just put it in there and pry just a little bit. And then you should be able to snap that off the rest of the way. We'll set that down. Our little key popped out, but that's okay. It just goes right back in like that. But you can set it aside if you want to. Now if we turn this over, there's one more little plastic cover that covers our battery. And same thing, just use the small flathead screwdriver to pry up on that. You can see this little tab on the end slides underneath. Just pull up a little bit and then pull it out. And then here's our battery. There's a little spot right in there where you can use the edge of your small flathead screwdriver to just pry that out. Now we'll grab a new battery. Now when you put this in, just make sure that the positive side is facing up and just slide that in and snap it in place. And then we can put this little plastic cover back on. Same thing, slide that tab underneath and then it should just snap down like so. And then this cover here, this has a little plastic part that sticks out and it goes into this hole. There's really only one way to put it back on, but just line it up and snap it on. Then we can put on this little end piece. We've got the two little tabs right here. Those line up with these two little holes and it'll just snap down. And then finally this last piece here, it really only goes on one way as well. If you flip it over, it won't work, it won't line up. If you notice, it also has a little arrow right there. That's the direction you need to slide this on. So when you put it on like this, see I'm not all the way lined up, just press it down and then slide it over like that. And you're done. I hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up some replacement batteries as well. Thanks so much for watching and good luck.